So I kept seeing these ads for Pony O. So I'm basically doing this video for anyone who has seen these ads and decided to do some research on their own, typing it into Google, whatever, and you wanted an honest review of this product. I think it's pretty new, or at least it's kind of the first time that I've seen it on my Facebook, and they are doing an awesome job of retargeting because I kept seeing it over and over and over, and I would watch their videos and their ads and go, I really wonder if that works or not. And because it's such a low cost product, I went ahead and ordered it. So I wanted to give an honest review of this product. It's not an unboxing. I have used this before. I've even used it in a very high intensity, high fitness class. And I'll let you know how that went. First of all, if you don't know what Pony O is, well, I don't know how you would have found this video, but I ordered this Pony O. And it's basically an alternative to a hair tie. And so it has a few merits to it, but there's different designs you can choose, different colors basically. And I just got the black because I love black hair ties. My hair is quite dark. As you can see, I've already used these, so they're a little bit crumpled, but it's a different process, and I'm gonna show you on my hair, which is freshly blow dried, okay? So it's all ready to look pretty in a ponytail. There was two sizes that I got. There's kind of like a skinnier size and a thicker size. And then this little guy here is for doing buns. So it came with a little carrying case, which I actually do use it to store the Pony-Os in. And it came with this little booklet as well, kind of a how-to use it, different ways that you can use the different things to make different styles, that kind of thing. So it's pretty simple. All you're gonna do is collect your hair. So I'm gonna show you here. So let's collect our hair, kind of put it where you would want your ponytail to be. Okay, and then you're just gonna take your Pony-O and put it around like you would a regular hair tie. But the difference is now you're gonna flatten it. You are gonna squeeze down and flatten this like a pancake, okay? After you flatten it, you're gonna go ahead and take one side and push it to the back, and take the other side and push it to the back. See that? I mean, obviously I didn't take time to put my little hair all nicely in, but you get the idea. So you're supposed to pull on it. You don't go like this, like you would a traditional ponytail. When we're trying to tighten our ponytails, we go psh. You don't go like that. You pull on it to know it's secure and it's not going anywhere. So that's kind of the concept. What I do like about this is it makes people with fine hair, and I will say I have fine hair, it makes people with fine hair look like they've got a thicker pony, okay? So it makes it look like my pony is actually thicker than it is. So I could see the appeal for, I'm gonna do another different pony with the other one, lower. I can see the appeal for people with fine hair to make your pony look cute and thicker, I think. So I'm gonna do the same thing as I did. Okay, and there we are. It takes no time. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, and it feels secure. It absolutely feels secure. So my opinion of the Pony-O, it gives a cuter pony than using a regular elastic. I will say that. It makes my hair look thicker, which I like, I will say that. So and that's kind of, I was sold. So I was like, I put it in my hair and I was like, it feels good, it's just not going anywhere. I'm sold, I like this, I'm glad I purchased this. But, so I went to a high fitness class, which is a very high intensity cardio class with me and my girlfriend, and I wore this one, and she wore this thinner one. And we kind of were gonna discover how long it would take us for it to fall out or to get too loose, or if it would last the entire class. And I made honest review, and it's nothing against it because I do still like the product, but it did not last in a cardio class. So, I mean, she lasted, I think, 14 minutes until she decided to take it out and put her ponytail in. And for myself, I lasted the entire class because I really wanted to give a good go and see just how far it would come out. with all the jumpings and all of the it's kind of dance fitness, but not really. It's more high intensity cardio with all the burpees, with all of that stuff. It didn't really stay. So I'm gonna add some pictures in this video right here. There they are. That is what our ponies looked like. My friend Lori, that was about 14 minutes in. And then for me, that was how my hair was at the end of the class. So as far as doing fitness classes with it and anything vigorous, I have to say it's a no-go over here. But for everyday use, if you want a cute looking pony, go for it. I will also say that I did use this guy and put my hair in a low pony just to go out for dinner with my kids. And by the time I got home, it was looking looser. I didn't take any photos, but it did look a little bit looser. The pony was quite simple to use. I don't think I'm incorrectly using it in any way, but in my opinion, if you want like a super tight, not going anywhere pony, I would maybe stick to your regular ones. But if you want a super cute looking pony, get the Ponyo. If you suffer from super thin hair, and you want your pony to look thicker, get the Ponyo. If you suffer from breakage, if your hair is very brittle, and you don't want to break your hair, and normal elastics do that for you, get the Ponyo. For me, my hair, I don't know if you can see, but it's very silky. I have very, very healthy, silky hair. So even for like back combing, you need a lot of tricks. I mean, actually, if you're watching this video and you have tricks on back combing products, I would love to hear it. So for me, back comb in a bottle and those powders that dirty your hair, make it all gritty, and just a ton of hairspray. My hair is so silky that it just falls right out of everything. So take this review with a grain of salt. It may be because my hair is very silky. But there you go. That's my impression of the Ponyo.